Hi, everyone. Welcome back to English 365 for Beginners. I'm Lily.
And I'm Ben. How are you today? Are you ready to talk about work?
Yes, I love talking about jobs. Today, we'll learn words and phrases about your job. You can talk about your work, your tasks, and your colleagues in English.
Great! Speak slowly and clearly with pauses after each new word or phrase. Repeat key words 2 or 3 times. And smile while speaking.
Ben, what is your job?
I am a teacher. I teach English to students. I work in a school.
That's great. I am a designer. I work on computers and make things look beautiful.
Today's new words are job, work, office, boss, colleague, and meeting. Let's repeat them slowly.
Job, work, office, boss, colleague, meeting.
Perfect. Now, let's talk about your tasks at work.
I teach students every day. I prepare lessons and check homework. Sometimes I have meetings with my boss.
I design websites and logos. I work with my team. We have meetings and discussions.
Let's repeat some action words. Teach, prepare, check, design, work, meet.
Great. Now, let's practice sentences about work.
I go to work every day. I have a meeting with my boss. I work with my colleagues. I prepare lessons. I design logos.
Excellent. Now, let's talk about workplaces.
People can work in an office, a school, a hospital, or a shop. Office is a building for work. School is for teachers and students. Hospital is for doctors and nurses. Shop is for sellers.
Repeat after us. Office, school, hospital, shop.
Perfect. Now, let's pretend we are at work.
Good morning, Lily. Did you finish your task?
Yes, I finished it. I sent the report to you.
Great job. Now, repeat after us. I finished my task. I sent the report.
Excellent. Now, let's talk about meetings.
In meetings, we discuss work and tasks. We share ideas with colleagues. We ask questions and answer questions.
Repeat slowly. Discuss. Share ideas. Ask questions. Answer questions.
Great! Now, let's learn about talking to your boss and colleagues.
You can say, "Can you help me, please?" Or, "I have a question about this task."
Repeat with us. Can you help me, please? I have a question about this task.
Perfect! Now, let's listen to a mini story about work.
Tom is a teacher. He goes to school every morning. He teaches students and checks homework. In the afternoon, he has a meeting with his boss. After school, he prepares lessons for tomorrow.
Now, repeat after Tom. I teach students. I check homework. I have a meeting with my boss. I prepare lessons for tomorrow.
Great job! Now, let's review all today's vocabulary.
Job, work, office, boss, colleague, meeting, teach, prepare, check, design, discuss, share ideas, ask questions, answer questions. I finished my task. I sent the report. Wow, that's a lot of work words. You did an amazing job today, Ben.
Before we go, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Your support helps us make more fun lessons.
And here's your question of the day. What is your job and what do you do every day?
Write your answer in the comments. We love reading them.
Thank you for learning with us today. You're doing great. Keep practicing English every day.
See you next time on English 365.